is Madison, and I'm going to be doing fun things in the rain. And I didn't post the last one because it was stupid, but my friend Jared is going to be the camera roll. So say hi.
Hi.
So we're going to do fun things in the rain. So come on.
Holy crap, Madison, you're going way too fast.
First up, we can play scooter. So Jared is going to be moving that so I can play.
Or that's going to happen.
But I'm a girl. Keep it on me.
Just gonna watch you do everything. Just gonna watch you.
So this is the scooter that I am going to do.
Which pretty much isn't
What are you doing?
nothing.
Is it on?
Yes.
You see? Good.
I might have zoomed in
What did
way
you
too
do?
far. There you go.
Let me see. Is it zoomed out? Good. So you can ride. Sorry about all the acorns. Sir, we have a lot of acorns in us. You know, you don't need to follow me.
How really getting wet here.
And you can take off your jacket.
Oh my. Look at this. I'm taking off my jacket. It's way too hot.
Sorry. I'm going to put it right where the...
My
So
knee.
let's go.
Oh, my gi.
You don't need to follow me.
Come back here. Come back here.
Sorry, guys.
I'm gonna die here.
You can even run around.
What?
If you got an animal, you can play with your animal. Max. Get him. Get her. Come on, Max. No! Give it to me! You're a pile of poop. Okay, so this is Mixie, my cat. She's very cute. Hey, fish at the and that's Stickman. It's a stick thing. It is Stickman. And he's called Stickman. So, and this is my cat. Her name is Mixie, and she's
Well, Dino is really called a stick bug.
I know. So, I can let her free because I'm done playing with her. And then you can just go inside and just play inside while it's a rainy day.
Which they probably much don't allow.
So,
It's gonna take like 9 years up in here, boys. It's on my feet.
So you can just watch some TV. Okay, it was 5 minutes later, so let's go.
1 hour later. Just kidding, boys.
This is our playroom that we love to play in.
Which is really messy.
Yes. And so, guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. And goodbye. And this is who was directing. Come on, show your face.
And
So this is who was directing.
Now show who
You might know him.
Might not.
So goodbye. And this is Lauren, my little sister.